Hello guys, in this video we have an official unboxing of the new Ulefone Armor 12 5G. The Armor 12 5G has been up to pre-sale since August 23rd. To mention the highlights of the major selling points of the device, including the chipset, battery and the hi-fi dual speaker for an immersive sound experience. So let's start with unboxing. Out of the box, the phone comes with a pre-installed protective film. The device is present of a silver ion antibacterial coating claimed to eliminate bacteria up to 99.9%, which is very useful now in the time of the pandemic. We also have supports for 15 watts wireless charging. From the front, the phone boasts a large 6.52 water drop screen, and its rear side phone features a brilliant quad camera setup by a pixel intense 48 megapixel sensor. There is 8 megapixel ultra wide angle camera, 2 megapixel macro camera, 2 megapixel depth sensor with a dual LED flash. In our box we find some more paperwork, such as a user guide, warranty card, multifunctional instructions and safety prompt card. There is also additional tempered glass protective film, 8-watt fast charger, always good looking red data cable. There is also a Type-C to 3.5mm audio adapter for enjoying the music, SIM needle, there is also a sling. On the side we find a slot for 2 SIMs or the 1 SIM and a memory card. Of course, there is also global 5G connectivity. Optimizing the quad camera lets you capture every precious moment in your life. The 48 megapixel main camera faithfully captures clear and detailed photos, take your photography to a new level. Inside we have 112 8GB of storage. The huge 6.52-inch water drop screen combined with the high resolution which presents a visual feast to your eyes. Dual hi-fi speakers will ensure true music enjoyment. It is powered by the Dimensity 700 octa-core chipset paired with 8GB of RAM, and it's a pretty good combination for mobile gaming, all spiced up with the new Android 11 OS. These are just some of things we list during the Armor 12 5G unboxing. There would be many more useful features that we could list about this phone, such as a powerful battery and total resistance to water, dust and shocks. The official Ulefone links are below this video, don't forget to visit them and grab your new Armor 12 5G at the promotion price. Now is the real chance to do that. But before just the end, let's take a look at the comparing our Armor 12 5G with new Nokia XR20. So let's see who is better.